In this video I will tell you how to download, how to install any app in PC on laptop. So I cancel this and first start button press and type Microsoft Store or s- store only. So here you can see this is a Microsoft Store. Click here, open this page. Already account is create. Microsoft and Microsoft search bar, click any app like I downloaded WhatsApp. So here search WhatsApp, click WhatsApp and install here. Few minutes waits, your WhatsApp and PC downloaded. You can see my uh, PC and WhatsApp download. So again search bar, window की press and WhatsApp search. This is a WhatsApp. You can see open. So this type any app your PC download, like and subscribe.